Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI, and check out this absolutely gorgeous pendant light. This is a simple but modern style chandelier hanging lamp or lantern, and I just find it to be absolutely beautiful for the look that I was going for the space that I'm in. I have it here in a bedroom right now, so that's why you can see the chain is a little bit smaller, but because it is adjustable, let's say you have high ceilings or perhaps you're wanting to use it in a dining room space, then you could definitely lower this to have it drop a little bit further down. I believe it goes up to 40 inches, the chain length, which is great, very versatile. The material, it's nice and sturdy. It's made out of a beautiful glass and it comes in a variety of colors. This is the red copper color, and I just find it to be stunning with the decor that I'm going for. So if you're looking for a beautiful pendant light, then I would really recommend this one, and that's my point of view.